Hey friends, today we are going to do something a little bit fun. Actually, I need your help. I am going to confess here. I make this recipe on a regular basis. My family loves it, but we don't even have a name for it. It was kind of created when I had a little bit of this in the house and a little bit of that and just pulled together this cool it was like a breakfast sandwich, but we've eaten it for dinner, we've eaten it for lunch, we've eaten it for breakfast. So I use salami, some mozzarella cheese, eggs, and a flour tortilla and bring it all together. It's absolutely delicious. But what I need your help with is I need a name for this recipe or this item that I'm going to throw together here. So I am going to throw it together. But what I would love for you to do is to name my concoction here down in the YouTube comments below. So after you watch the video, you watch me process this and cook it all together. What would you name it? That's what I need to know. And I'm going to pick a name so I can tell my family, hey, when they want that salami thing or, mom, that egg thing that you do, I'll actually have a name for them. So help me name this recipe and by putting it in the comments below there. And so let's get into it. Okay, so we begin this recipe by adding 4 eggs into a mixing bowl. And there's 2, here's 3, and then I'm going to whisk them up and I'm going to set this egg mixture aside. I'm going to heat up my frying pan next, and I'm going to place a few pieces of salami all over the bottom of the frying pan. I'm going to let that warm up. I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese on top. I'm going to place the lid over the frying pan so that this can melt and kind of cook together just for maybe a minute and a half, 2 minutes. There's my lid. I'm going to take the lid off and I'm going to add the egg mixture on top of the mozzarella cheese and the salami. Sometimes I add onion or vegetables in on this one, depends on what I have in the house. The top goes back on for a few minutes. I'm going to take the top back off. I toss on just a regular 8-inch flour tortilla, put the top back on, let that cook again for a couple minutes. Now I'm going to flip the whole pan so that I turn the tortilla side down so that that can cook for a few minutes. It really is a simple little recipe, and it's just so delicious. So I'm going to put the top back on, let that tortilla cook for a minute. Now when that's done, I'm going to flip the whole ensemble out of the frying pan, and there it is, my eggy salami tortilla thingy that I definitely need some help with. Now it kind of gives a sandwich vibe a little bit, panini vibe. I mean, you tell me, right? So you can cut these up, and this is just how we eat them. And I've put spinach in here before, I put onion, but basically it's salami, mozzarella, cheese, and the egg. And look at that, all coming together on that tortilla. Super hot. I also love to dip this in some dipping sauces, whatever you have at the house, or you're going to make your own sauce. But let's take a bite here. A little. A little hot, but taste of that salami with the egg and the mozzarella cheese on that tortilla. I mean, this is a 10 out of 10. We eat these all the time. I just need a name for it. So could you help me, please? So I am going to pick the name in about 7 days. So this video has about 7 days to run, and for me to collect probably some really good name ideas, right? So here we go. There's one more look at it. It's delicious. The salami is crispy. The cheese is all melted and the fluffy eggs. It is so good. All right, so give me that great name. I'll talk to you soon. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.